Hello everyone, hello beautiful people. My name is Eny Scents. I am someone who has just started a business of making perfumes or fragrances. I don't know what you can call it. So today I'm going to show you this video of how I make my perfumes. And the types of perfumes that I sell, they are called generic perfumes. And what do we mean by generic perfumes? It simply means I'm selling perfumes that are almost or very similar to the other perfumes that you know. And these perfumes, I'm only generating generic perfumes of designer perfumes, the likes of Ford perfumes, the likes of Louis Vuitton perfumes, the likes of Gucci, the likes of Chanel, and so many more. So if you're someone who can't afford Chanel No. 5 and you really want to smell rich on a budget, I am your plug. So I'm going to leave you watching how I make my perfumes.
Kusareka pachindidzimira chiedza upenyu wangu uchipenda mchiona ndinonyura ndakatemba kune nzeve kumatenga kune chiyero chinera kunovhumuka vane rusero Kusareka pachindidzimira chiedza upenyu wangu uchipenda mchiona ndinonyura ndakatemba kune nzeve kumatenga kune chiyero chinera kunovhumuka vane rusero aiwa musimutse zvimbo yenyu nemudonzvo yenyu murerutse toro yakaremera hama mufumure chose chine mhiko yakaipa chishaye simba pandinenge ndirere chinorongwa nemhandu handizive.
So what is happening here? I am mixing my perfume compound and my perfume oil and my stabilizer to make the perfume. These are the three things that I mix to make my perfume. So I mix with a magnet stirrer. It is unfortunate you can't see it now because it's a little bit down below the camera. So there is a magnet stirrer there. So these are the things that you need if you want to start a perfume business. You need that magnet stirrer. It will help you to mix your perfume without much effort. And you need a calculator to calculate whatever you are calculating. So on this particular video, I am making the roll-ons first, or maybe the deodorants first, before I start doing the perfumes. So that is a deodorant base that you are seeing there. That's what we call the compound. That's the deodorant base. Then the oil, I put the oil in that deodorant base, and this thing is mixing. But because the deodorant base is so thick, it is very difficult to mix it using the magnet stirrer, like what we do when we are mixing the perfumes. So I'm helping this this thing to mix using that stick. And that particular stick, it is a metal stick that I use to mix my candles. So I'm using now to mix my deodorant. And you are seeing me talking, I'm talking to people on TikTok. So I was doing whatever I was doing whilst I was live on TikTok. So keep watching.
Dimimune munondo wacho dimimune rushowa dimimune kupenya kwemvura ende mune chando nesuwa awamire pamuchasimutsa vamwe mukuruva ireyo ndifambe ubindure maruva ireyo ndimirewo pane vanorira ireyo mundipo zvakandifanira chitsoka ndibereke inga makamboita kungwari tsemuke mukandisiya ndoruza hondo yepamweya.
As you can see, my deodorant right now, it is finally mixed, and what is left is to put them in the bottles. After putting them in the bottles, I'll start labeling the bottles, and that is it. So when you are making deodorants, as I said earlier, you just need the deodorant base. You also need the oils. The same oils that we use for perfumes are the same oils that we use to make these deodorants, and also the stabilizer. A stabilizer, we just need it to make our smell last longer, to stay there, so that the smell will never go anyway. So it's optional. You can put that stabilizer, you cannot put the stabilizer, it's all up to you. So right now I'm going to pack my deodorants, perfumes, and I'm going to see you watching me packing those deodorant perfumes. Don't worry about me. I'm busy on TikTok talking to my friends whilst I'm working. That's how we do it here. So those deodorant bottles that you are seeing, the white ones which I'm filling in, they are 80 ml bottles of deodorant, and I'm selling them at a stock price of 500 rands for 20. That is so cheap. Like you are buying each for 25 rand, and it's an 80 ml bottle of deodorant. That is so cheap, and a lot of people that are buying stock from me, they are ordering a lot of these because I believe they are making a lot of profit. I don't know, but because I'm starting my business, I'm just trying my best to give everybody a fair price, so that they will test my products, they will understand my products, then we'll see what we can do after that. So this one, it is smelling so nice. I'll leave you watching whilst I'm packing. Okay.
Undipa mota mundipa imba ishe wangu ndipe isimba ndiri munhu wenyama pamwe ndinoda kusundwa zvakakwadabuka ndina mutsunda patanidza izese zviri kushupa kana zvapatana ndikupanza kusimbisa maelders ndichimati kutsamwa kuneleva mana kutsamwa kuneleva mana tariza chimiro aiwa wakanaka Tarisa chiringiro negosiana Uri tsara kadenga mwana mutema Tarisa chiringiro negosiana Uri tsara kadenga mwana mutema Handi chakumbire denga rakatambanuza mavoko kare Ngirozi yekudenga yacho zingwendiwe Handi chakumbire denga rakatambanuza mavoko kare Ngirozi yekudenga yacho zingwendiwe Kanondi garapa moyo Karokwe kake kaye kanoti mbamba Kanondi garapa moyo Kashangu kake kaye kanoti mbamba I'll be working all this summer Getting my bread up and shit Moving from place to place From plane to plane Spreading my word out and shit Cause I remember when we used to sit In a government yard in Trenchtown Observing the hypocrites, yeah Mingle with the good people we meet, yeah I'll be doing this for a while Searching up